Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com. Today, proudly to introduce a line of products that we have back at the Emporium, Cella. It is spelled C-E-L-L-A. It's not Cella, it's Cella, because it's Italian, of course. Since 1899, Cella line of products have been kind of a staple of Italy and a lot of other places in Europe as it's spread around, and it has its history and its pedigree in barbershops. And I think that the line of products is some of the most classic, iconic Italian products out there. Very inexpensive, very affordable, and I just absolutely adore the packaging. I think this is, this guy here, he has a name, I was just reading it, Felice. He has a name, Felice, and every time I see him, I don't know why, I think of Santa Claus. He's got that really matronly kind of, look. But this is one of the original products right here. This is it's a kilogram, I believe. It's, 1,000 milliliters of soap. It's a brick of shaving soap you can buy. And this is actually kind of the old school thing to do. You have a giant brick that either you owned or maybe your local barber owned, and they would just cut you off a little piece. You throw that in the bottom of your mug, and you'd swirl it around and make yourself a lather. The idea of having to have a circular puck that fits perfectly into your mug is just not an old world thing. It's cut off a chunk of this huge brick and throw it in your mug. But whatever you choose, it's a high quality line. We look forward to doing a future shave with it. The red line is the original kind of scent, and that has the sweet almond aroma to it. Lovely, very, very nice. If you like that almond, you're gonna love it. It's very soft, very easy to use, and they also have an aftershave balm and, of course, an aftershave splash. This has alcohol in it, as they call it, lotion. Very nice as well. It actually reminds me, that is lost forever. It reminds me a little bit of Parasso, which is not surprising. They're both Italian, right? And then, of course, the green line over here, this is more of a new addition to the family, and this is their line that has aloe vera, so really good for your skin. And again, really, really nice scents. I was smelling these earlier. Very refreshing, very cool. On a summer day, I think that would be a wonderful thing. Whether you're in Italy or Phoenix, Arizona, and it's hot, put some of that on. So this is the line, Cella. Check it out here at Razor Emporium. That's all I got. If you've tried Cella, if you've been to Italy, if you've seen Felice walking on the streets making a lather, tell me about it in the comments. And if you do, you're entered in to win this. The Razor Emporium official black and blue t-shirt. Behold in all of its glory. Leave a comment, you're entered in to win. It's that simple. And check out Cella at our store, and we'll see you here at Razor Emporium next time for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.